Welcome to the Elite Economizer, the place where you unlock the secrets of mastering your finances and building your wealth. Today, we're diving deep into the 50-30-20 rule. But before we delve into the specifics, I want to share some exciting insights with you. We ran a poll to gauge your interests, and we were blown away by your responses. With around 834 of you participating, we learned a lot about your preferences. 30% voted for personal finance, 22% chose stock market, 17% want to explore real estate investing, 13% are keen on making money online. What's encouraging is that many of you showed curiosity about various topics. Most comments indicated an eagerness to learn about all these subjects. Your feedback means the world to us, and it's why we're discussing personal finance today. Now, let's dive into the 50-30-20 rule. But what does it mean? Imagine your finances as a pie, and this rule helps you slice it right. Half of that pie, representing 50%, is dedicated to your needs. Needs are the essentials, the things that ensure your day-to-day life runs smoothly. They include groceries, housing expenses, rent or mortgage, and crucially, health insurance. Groceries, housing, rent, mortgage, health insurance, utilities, electricity, etc. Think of a need as something you can't do without. These are the basics, like food and shelter, without which life would be seriously inconvenient. Now let's shift our focus to the wants category. This is where many people often blur the line between wants and needs. Wants are those things that add convenience to your life but aren't necessities. For example, shopping for new clothes, dining out, or indulging in hobbies like gardening or drone flying. Shopping, non-essential. Dining out. Hobbies. These are the things that make life more enjoyable, but they're not critical for survival. They're the little luxuries we can afford if we manage our finances well. Finally, we come to the last 20%, which is all about savings and paying off debt. Savings are essential for securing your financial future. This category includes building an emergency fund, ideally covering 6 to 12 months of living expenses. Emergency fund, 6 to 12 months of living expenses. Paying off debts, credit cards, student loans. Saving for retirement. Your emergency fund acts as a safety net in case unexpected expenses arise. It's a crucial part of financial stability. Additionally, you should use this 20% to pay off any outstanding debts, whether it's credit cards or student loans. Don't forget about saving for retirement. It's easy to put off, but investing in your future is one of the wisest financial moves you can make. Let's dive deeper into each of the 50-30-20 categories to gain a more profound understanding of how they impact your financial well-being. Needs encompass those essential expenses that keep your life running smoothly. The largest chunk of your budget, this 50% includes necessities such as groceries, housing costs, and health insurance. However, it's essential to remember that the 50-30-20 rule applies to your after-tax income, known as net income. Your regular living expenses fall under this category. Think about your mortgage or rent, groceries to keep your family well-fed, and utility bills to keep the lights on and your home comfortable. These are the expenses that would greatly inconvenience you or impact your quality of life if not met. Wants represent the area where most people blur the line between needs and desires. It's where you decide how to spend the 30% of your budget not allocated to needs. Shopping for new clothes, dining out, or pursuing hobbies are examples of wants. These expenditures, while not vital for survival, significantly enhance your quality of life. However, they are where many individuals struggle to differentiate between a necessity and a desire. The remaining 20% of your budget should be dedicated to savings or paying off debt. This section is critical for securing your financial future. Your emergency fund is a crucial part of this category. Setting aside 6 to 12 months' worth of living expenses acts as a safety net for unexpected financial crises. Imagine facing a job loss or a medical emergency with peace of mind because you've built a robust emergency fund. Alongside savings, paying off debt is a significant part of this 20%. Whether it's credit card balances, student loans, or any other debt, allocating a portion of your income to debt reduction is essential for financial freedom. Don't forget about your future. Saving for retirement often takes a backseat. but it's one of the most critical aspects of financial planning. Your retirement savings ensure that you can enjoy your golden years without financial stress. To help you grasp the 50-30-20 rule better, let's consider some practical examples. Take a couple, Sarah and John. Their after-tax income is $5,000 per month. They allocate 50% of their income to needs, which is $2,500. This includes their rent, groceries, and utilities. It ensures that they maintain a comfortable and stable living situation. They allocate 30% to wants, which equals $1,500. This part of their budget allows them to enjoy dining out, shopping, and indulging in their hobbies, all of which enhance their quality of life. The remaining 20%, or $1,000, is dedicated to savings. They're building an emergency fund, paying off some student loans, and saving for retirement. Sarah and John understand that this budgeting approach helps them stay financially secure while enjoying their lives. It ensures they avoid unnecessary debt and are prepared for the unexpected. Now, you might be wondering how to apply the 50-30-20 rule to your life. The key lies in tracking your expenses and income diligently. Several tools and apps can assist you in tracking your financial activities. By regularly monitoring your spending, you can ensure that your wants and needs align with the 50-30-20 rule. Moreover, the 50-30-20 rule can serve as a foundation for setting financial goals. For instance, once your emergency fund is fully funded, you can allocate more to retirement savings, putting you on the path to financial independence. Let's explore a few real-life success stories of individuals who've embraced the 50-30-20 rule. Meet Alex, a young professional who decided to take control of her finances. By following this rule, she managed to pay off her student loans, build a substantial emergency fund, and begin investing for her retirement, all while enjoying her life without financial stress. Alex's story reminds us that the 50-30-20 rule isn't about deprivation. It's about achieving your financial dreams. With the right approach and discipline, you can balance your financial responsibilities and enjoy the fruits of your hard work. In conclusion, the 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet powerful tool to manage your money effectively. It helps you understand where your hard-earned dollars are going, allocate them wisely, and secure your financial future. If you found this information valuable, please share it with your friends and family who might also benefit from mastering their finances. Thank you for being a part of the Elite Economizer. Remember to subscribe for more financial wisdom and tips on building wealth.